Hello friend, in this video I will explain you how to resize a PDF file. So as you see, I received a PDF file whose size is very large. As you can see, in 66% it is visible to my laptop, but if I make it 100%, it seems the image is very too large, so it will going out from the screen. So how do we resize it to the 100% so that it will be visible to my screen correctly? Okay. So for this I will use a tool which is one ILOVEPDF. Okay. So where you have to go to the PDF to image conversion like this. So I will select, it will convert a PDF page into a JPG, or all extract all the images contained in a PDF, right? So what we will do, we will select that PDF which is oversized. I will select this PDF. Okay. So the next step is convert to JPG. Okay. So it is extracting the all the images from the PDF, and you can see it is automatically downloaded the images. So will be two steps of process to resize it. So I will go into I will use the first one. So what we have to do here, what is done? The PDF is converted into images and it stored into the ILOVE PDF site itself. Now the next step will be you can see there is an icon which says continue to image to PDF. Okay, so I will click this button. So all the images which is contained in a memory of the ILOVE PDF will be converted to PDF itself. So for this, it will automatically resize all the PDF into the 100% and convert into the PDF. Like if we click on convert to PDF, okay, the image has been converted to PDF. So it will automatically download the new PDF which is generated now. So okay, let me click and say, okay. So now you can see it's in 100% the PDF files is look like very nice. So if I see the previous one, this one, in 100% it looks like very large, but after the compression it looks fine. So you have to look. So this is the method you can follow. Thank you.